Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Airtable Scripting for AI Enrichment, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Airtable Scripting for AI Enrichment, start by logging into your Airtable account. Navigate to the base where you want to enable scripting. Look for the apps option in the right sidebar and click on it. If you don't see the scripting app, select Install an app, search for scripting in the app directory. Click on the scripting app to add it to your base. Once added, click on the scripting app to open it. You will see a blank script editor on the screen. To enable AI enrichment, you need to make sure you have an API key. Head to the Airtable API documentation to generate your API key. Copy the API key to your clipboard for later use. In the script editor, start by pasting the API key into your script. Construct your API call to include necessary parameters. Make sure to include the appropriate endpoint for AI enrichment. Use JavaScript to write the code that will send data to the AI service. Test your script with sample data to ensure it's working properly. Make adjustments as needed based on the results you receive. Save your script frequently to avoid losing any changes. Once satisfied, run the script to see AI enrichment in action. Review the output to confirm the data has been enriched as expected. Consider implementing error handling in your script for future robustness. Finally, document your script with comments for easy reference later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.